Hello and welcome to Cisco UC Automation video series. This course is designed for Cisco Collaboration engineers who are interested in automating Cisco Unified Communication Manager provisioning, or programmers who have some exposure to Cisco CUCM who are looking to automate MACDs, moves, adds, deletes, and changes that you do on daily basis. Getting all your MACDs automated will reduce your workload and will give you some time to focus on other activities and further development. Good understanding and working knowledge of Cisco CUCM is important to fully benefit from this course, with some knowledge of Python programming. You don't have to be an expert in CUCM, but if you understand or have a working knowledge of the MACD operations, such as creating lines, phones, profiles, delete operations, and dependencies, would be enough for you to start. We will look at an application to understand the automation process before we touch Python scripting, to see a visual representation of the APIs and how we are going to use them. Also look at some resources where we can learn more about APIs and Excel. I will also show you how to set up the environment by installing the necessary tools and modules, so you will have no issue executing your scripts towards Cisco CUCM. If you are new to Python with no or little knowledge, don't worry, I will cover some of the necessary Python modules that are relevant to this course. Finally, we will put together all the Python function to create one single complete automation to provision devices and profiles for a new starter.